Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of $IRS, a cryptocurrency associated with virtuals, and exploring how you can purchase it, with a special emphasis on the IRS AI agent. This guide will walk you through the process of buying $IRS. First, let's understand what $IRS and virtuals are. $IRS is the token name and ticker, and it plays a key role within the virtuals ecosystem. Virtuals is the platform or project behind $IRS, designed with specific goals and features, potentially related to AI agents. Central to this is the IRS AI agent, whose role is to offer important functionality and benefits within the virtuals environment. EXT, let's think about why you might invest in $IRS. Potential use cases exist within virtuals, such as governance or utility functions. Market trends suggest growth potential, but remember, this is not financial advice. The technology behind the project also boasts innovative aspects, possibly AI-driven. Where can you buy $IRS? Currently, MEXC Exchange is a primary platform, so we'll look at that option, and you can find a link to their website in the description. $IRS operates on the ETHEREUM network. There may be other exchanges where $IRS is available, so do your research to verify those if necessary. ETs get into how to buy $IRS on MEXC. First, create a MEXC account using the link in the description and be aware of any KYC or Know Your Customer requirements. Next, fund your MEXC account, either through a crypto deposit or a fiat deposit, which are transfers of cryptocurrencies or government-backed money respectively. Then, find the $IRS trading pair on MEXC. Finally, place your order, choosing between a market order for immediate execution or a limit order at a specified price. Input the amount of $IRS you wish to purchase. Before confirming, double-check all order details. Then, execute the trade. Before investing, keep in mind some important security considerations. Always protect your account by enabling 2FA or two-factor authentication and using a strong password. Securely store your $IRS, perhaps using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, after researching available wallet options. Finally, be wary of scams, including phishing attempts and fake websites. In conclusion, we've covered the steps to buying $IRS, from understanding the project to securing your investment. We encourage you to do your own in-depth research before making any investment decisions, as this is not financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.